Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to add music and movie song in Bus Simulator Indonesia. To do this, first click on Garage and you will find a music option here. Click on Music and select the music on. I already created a playlist here. Okay, no problem, I'm gonna delete it and create a new playlist to show you guys. Now click on Add Playlist. Now set your playlist name. By set your playlist name, you will create a new playlist here. Now click on Add Track. Click on Device Gallery. And now find your music here. Just tap on your music. Now go back to your game and let's play it again. And now you will see a radio option here. Just click on radio and select the music option. And now play your music.